Hi, in this video, we will talk about how to open a Sofi high yield savings account. Head over first to sofi.com, and then once you have done that, you can see in here a lot of options. So just hover to the products, and here you can see the high yield savings account. Once you have click on that, it will direct you to this page right here that will show you all of the benefits and such of this particular savings account. So click on this open an account option, and then as you can see right here, it will open a new tab. Now they need to confirm if you're human, so just head over and answer this one. Now from in there, you should be able to see this. So just fill up all of this information. So just put your legal first name, legal last name, the state that you're in, as well as your email, password, and a lot more. So as you can see, they only support United States right here and Canada. So make sure that you actually live in those countries. Fill up any necessary information and enter your brand spanking new bank account after you have filled this up. So that's how you open a Sofi high yield savings account. I hope this video helped you out.